Last year, I bought an Revolution Player One 8K, and this year I do need another one for my other TV. But instead of buying the exact same thing, I got the Player One Pro 8K. The plan is to use the Player One Pro 8K in my home theater and the regular one, the one that I bought last year, into my bedroom. After all, there is no 8K capability in my room. So without further ado, let's open up the box and see what's inside. Just like the previous model, this unit also comes double box, so the box inside won't get damaged whatsoever. Once you open it up, you can see this Revolution PlayerPro 8K emblazoned on the top left corner. And without delay, I open the second box. As soon as I opened the box, I was greeted by this Revolution box. That's accessory box. Inside there, I was greeted by this QR code, which is the digital version of the instruction manual. Inside the box, I found 3 Wi-Fi antennas, an 8K rated HDMI cable, a Bluetooth remote control, an IRI, rack ear mount, a pair of AAA batteries, and a 3-prong power cable for North American uses. And now I'm ready to use the unit. The unit itself feels extremely sturdy, solid, and heavy at approximately 22 pounds. It feels solid and it does not feel like a toy at all. It is shipped inside a cloth cover that can be used, if you want to, as a pillowcase. So here you go. That's the unit there. There, that looks solid, feels solid. You can even install 2 hard drives inside. At the back, you can see the master power switch, dual prong IEC input, a ground connector, Ethernet jack, HDMI output, infrared input, optical output, coaxial output, analog output, 3 USB 3.0 USB-A inputs, 1 RF antenna connector, and 2 Wi-Fi antenna connectors. Now let's have a look at the front panel. It is sleek, it is practically bare, made of solid metal, in brushed aluminum finish. And when you open the flip-down panel, you can put 2 hard drives, so you can have ample hard drive space. And as if it's not enough, there's another USB input there. So in total, you have 4 USB inputs and 2 hard drives. As far as remote control goes, it comes with RF remote control. It's very nice. It comes with all the functionalities. However, there is no backlighting for this remote, which is unfortunate. But then again, I can just turn on the light in my room. When I turn on the PlayerPro 8K, I immediately greeted with a firmware update, so I did that. From there, I scroll to the settings section of the unit, went inside the general settings to set the clock accordingly. And for the screensaver, because I don't really care about saving my screen, I set it to 30 minutes instead of just 10 minutes. When done, I backed out from that menu and I go to video settings. From there, I went to picture quality. I do not turn on sharpen picture, and I set AI picture quality to low. And from there, I went to AI super resolution. Also, I set it to low. The reason being is that I want the video quality to be improved, but not too improved to the point that it's jarring. From there, we go to audio settings, and the only settings you have to change is from PCM to bitstream. And in closing, we go to firmware and make sure there is no new firmware update. So what's my verdict? Well, the unit works better than I thought. The processor actually gets rid of a lot of the artifacts, such as mosquito noise and color banding. The unit is very easy to use, stable, responsive, better than my NVIDIA Shield Pro, and also better than my Revolution Player One 8K. This unit will now reside in my home theater, whereas the original unit will go to my bedroom. So we have now reached the end of this video. Please share your thoughts in the comments down below and click like, share, subscribe to my channel to help my channel out. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.